I'm gonna go live. Ah, oh, I didn't see that. Oh, I didn't see. I'm gonna go live. And am I going live? No. Yes, I'm live. How do I get a link to my thing? Share. Copy link. I'm going live with my crazy robot. Bam. And how we doing? No open positions and get commit, yes. So I made a crazy trading robot with Claude Code. So far, up 5 grand out of a $100,000 fake account. This can just go away because we don't need it. So here's the robot running. It takes, I took the idea of physics where you would find the force of an object. Like if you have a plane and there's a uplift force from the wind and there's a down force from the gravity, and you want to find what is the overall, if you add the two forces together, is it going up or down? And in physics, force is acceleration times mass, and in trading I don't have mass, so I used volume. It's kind of weird because it's physics, but anyway. So this guy finds the force on Bitcoin. See, look at when it prints out here. Where's this printout? I had a nice printout before. It's only doing Bitcoin. It only cares about Bitcoin. So that's a current trade. Where's the list of trades? There's the list of trades. So it's saying we should short Bitcoin because the acceleration in Bitcoin, look, it's not doing very well. The forces on Bitcoin over the last 60 candles are generally accelerating downwards. It doesn't care about trend, which is weird because it seems to always go opposite the trend. This is the 1 minute chart, and I don't know, is it working? Is it doing the reverse? But basically I'm making money by just having the stop loss and the take profit be 1 ATR apart. Oh, lost money. How much money did I lose? $157. Mamma mia. But now the robot's running again, and it'll make another trade. So how is that accelerating up? Let's have a look at the actual code and see what Claude did. Okay. hxtrader.py accelerate. This is all vibe coded with Claude code. And nps numpy.diff price diffs. Price diffs, and that is diff prices. And prices is what that closes. And then where's it getting the prices from? Candle data candles, close price. It's not even touching the prices. Oh, I have Instagram notifications. It's not making any more trades. What happened? Oh, Nasdaq. Okay, let's check out this Nasdaq trade. So I think we're making money by just having a 50-50 and hoping for the best. I should just go trend and then have a 50-50 and then maybe just making money because it's pure luck and there's nothing good about it at all. Okay, let's look at the code again. So it's getting candle data, is getting a bunch of candles. If not candles, or candle data, not in whatever that even means. If it's less than 3, then return nothing. And then it gets the prices, highs, lows, opens, volumes. Open price, close price. Prices, putting the close price in. Okay, so that's great. So we've got prices, and then it's saying the differences between the prices. I'm pretty sure that's zero help for that. No, I'm pretty sure it is that. Okay, so let's suppose it's the difference between the previous close price and the new close price. And then what does it do with that information? It works out the acceleration is the difference in differences in price. Does that make sense? If a price goes up 1 and then we want to work out the acceleration, it's the difference between how much that price went up and how much the price before it went up. Yeah, that's acceleration. And it seems to be doing okay with the Nasdaq 100 there. And then it works out the average acceleration over the 60 candles and the average volume, and then calculates the force, which is acceleration times volume. And this is my trading robot, which I just vibe coded in an hour. Woohoo! Oh, it's also got Japanese now. It has decided to buy long Japanese stock market. I just love the stock markets. I guess they're the most forceful things out there. Where's the stock? Where's the print of? There it is. So Bitcoin. Where's the next print? I don't see it. Any reason for it? Maybe it was 2 minutes ago. That is Bitcoin's the top. So it didn't buy Bitcoin. Why didn't it buy Bitcoin? Weird. Maybe we should get rid of these performing request analyzing. We'll just make it say analyzing. Comment out. Performing request. Performing. So it's up 6 grand. Did the Japanese win or lose? Japanese lost at gained $4.60. Why is Japanese doing $4 and the Nasdaq doing at that 1600? Because it's moving so much, maybe. See, my trailing stop's already in the take profit, so that's handy. I'm already in the profit. It took profit. Bam, another 2 grand, bro. Wish this was real money. It's not hitting my take profit. There it is, take profit. Thank you very much. Okay. Maybe I should make the screen. Do I have any viewers? No viewers. Why is my bit rate too low? Because my internet's too bad. Okay, concurrent viewers 0. Woo! I'm gonna put a post on Facebook. Maybe I should just stream to Facebook too. Copy. Nobody watches me. So sad. I don't have any. I'm live streaming my trading robot, and there's the link. And share it with friends. Done. Maybe I'll get some viewers now. How are we doing? Nasdaq again. It's down $53. Is it going to lose some money? Okay, the other thing is the trading stops. That's why it's going up. I think it's just random and it just loves the noise. We're at $900, $1,000. Gonna hit the take profit. No, it's not. Well, at least we're in the. The trading stop's not in the profit yet. Anyway, let's look at the code again. I want to change out, take out some. So I've taken out that logging. That should help slow it down a bit. And then there's this making request coming up here. Performing request. Space request. Where is it? Performing request. And yep, we're up 700, doing all right. The trading stop is still not in the. Oh, it's going to lose money. It's going down, and going up again. How exciting! I don't want to care about the log. I just want to care about the .py files. Where's the performing request logging coming from? I just want to shrink it down a bit. Warning, estimated pip location for Japanese 3.3, position sizing for Japanese. The account now is 108,000. We're going to position 108. Last price 308. So it bought how many? 39 units of Japan at 33,000 yen, which I don't know what that is, and it's not converting yen to Australian dollars. That's what the issue is. So we're up 7,000. What did we just do? We just lost $200 on Nasdaq. So sad. Japanese is up 5-3. Okay, I'm just gonna stop it and start it again because I've got that less logging now. Why is problematic? Oh, these are all gold. Let's see why they're problematic. No. Problematic. Filtered instruments. Skip CFDs for instruments with usually unusually high prices or special formatting requirements. They have special price handling for precision issues. So it's getting rid of XAO and ZAG, which is gold and silver, or platinum. We don't need to do those. Wait, where was I? Problematic. Then we don't, filtered instrument not append. We don't need that. I'm going to take that out. I don't know why it was an issue. AI thought it was an issue. Look, we're down $1,000 on Nasdaq. We are buying it. We're up 6 grand total. And we're going to lose $2,000 on this Nasdaq by the looks of it, unless it goes up right now. Exciting. Maybe I should change it to just be 10 ATRs instead of 60. Is anybody watching my live streaming? No. So sad. Nobody's watching me. So sad. Oh, how much did we just lose then? $2,000. Brah. Not fun. Get rid of that thing. Hide buy sell panel. Okay, now we're in Hong Kong and we are longing it. And we can get rid of this gold thing because that should work just fine. Filtered instruments not defined. Okay, I broke my code. Good old Python. I'll just let it go here and uncomment that. And run, and let's make it. I didn't count things. Hong Kong we already bought. No valid results, cannot trade. Okay, we don't need filtered instrument. Filtered instrument should just be instrument. Let's comment that out. For instrument in all instruments. All instruments. All instruments. And stop and start again. And actually, I'm going to make it 10 because we want the last 10 minutes of acceleration, not the last 60 minutes. We're just going to go crazy. So it's checking all the instruments right now, including gold, silver, platinum, Spain, New Zealand CHF, Aussie CHF. You know what it should be calculating the price difference. It should be, let's tell the coder how much have we spent so far on coding. $5 US. It should be calculating the acceleration in pips, not in price change. Let's see what Claude does about that. And why are we not trading? Where's my trade, bro? Oh. I'll tell you if it gets exciting. debugging. I was up 8k, now I'm up 5k. I put UK. Okay, so it's made changes because I want to calculate the price in pips, not in. Let's see what AI says. Make sure the ATR is in terms of pips as well. It should be. There will be less time buying from Glory. Do I get any followers, viewers? Nothing. Why is that? Why is that the all chess people thumbnail? Who prices their coffee? Geez. Okay, look, it's bought some gold in Japanese. So this. Okay. Let's see if the. Okay, I want to see what the changes that the code made. ATR and pips as well. La 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 la. Okay. Yeah. Get add trader. Let's run it again with the pip calculation rather than the. So we're shorting gold in Japanese for some reason because they have a lot of volume. What is their volume? It doesn't really tell you. Training stop, take profit. Okay, it's running again. Let's see what we get now. I think we could just literally go 50-50 on the 1 minute chart on whatever's moving with the training stop and take profit. I mean, theoretically, if you go by the trend, you should get a win overall. If you just do random, then you'll probably get a loss overall because you have to pay the spread cost. How many? I think there are 105 instruments to check, or 127. Checking them all before it makes its decision. Okay, so Zhao Japanese buy, which is the best at the ATR acceleration. The force is 5,000 because we changed the acceleration multiplied by volume. Maybe it's just because acceleration pip is 17 because Japanese yen are a lot more. I don't know. Error in trading run ATR. What does that mean? Yes, run it. Got this error. Come on, hit the take profit. Give me my money. Give me my money. Come on. Hit my money, take my money, give me take profit. It's not hitting, it's going up again. Go down. Okay. Cool. I'm doing more fixed things for. Let's run it again. So I'm concerned that it's doing Japanese because the pips, like if you look at that trade, we're up 16 pips. That's not that bad. Because Japanese yen are so, oh, it's going the wrong way. It's going to hit my trading stop. We're going to get $1 instead of $10. I hit a trading stop. What did we get? $3.40. Terrible. Don't give me raw Jason. I'm going to get some water. Doesn't matter because no one's watching me anyway. Keep calculating, robot. Sorry for the weird sounds. Just leaning over to the water fountain to fill up my wine glass with water. Doing Japanese again, shorting it again. But why? acceleration in pips is -6, because that close minus that close, that's a positive acceleration. That's a negative acceleration. That's a negative difference. I'm just going to make it print out its acceleration and NumPy values for each. I'll do that myself. Thank you. Git diff, git command -am fix. Hey, my camera just flashed. Why are you going over there, camera? I'm over here, bro. You see me? Thank you. Fix ADR bug. But it's still doing super tiny trades on Zao. And it's not doing anything on the big markets. Okay, and okay, so what am I gonna say? First of all, for the winning, for the trade that it makes, make it print out the closes NumPy array and differences array and the acceleration array. I just want to get a bit more debugging info. I still love Zao for some reason. Why does it just love Zao so much? Debugging. How much am I spending on tokens now? I can't tell until it finishes. Oh, it's losing money. Oh, it's taking money. Shuttering. You don't need to do a commit, I'll do it myself. Run it again. And how much am I spending now? $7, just $14 Australian, or $12. And how much money did we just make or lose? We're shorting, so we should have made money. $4.87. And now it's going down even more. Huh. So, okay. Now my concern is, okay. You made it not trade gold and silver earlier. Zao. Silver earlier. Zao. XAU, and I don't know what the other one is. I'll remove that. Why did I remove it? Because it didn't seem logical. But now all it seems to want to trade is Zao Japanese. Please help me work out why. Here's the last. Here's a data table. And I'll print the data table from the last one, zipping up. Where is it? Oh, there we go. There's a candle price difference. There's that. I'll give it that. And I'll give it. Let me just work out from that, and then let me work out from this table. Candle price 45,000. Difference in pips 162. Because why? It's doing it on the first candle. There's been 10 candle. Maybe the 10th one is nothing. Okay. Difference in pips from what? From that is 5,000. Let me just stick this in another terminal. Terminal here. Minus find it. Maybe just move this terminal over there. I want not that one over there. I want that one go over here. Why won't it go to this terminal? Click on this terminal. Click on this terminal. Move it over there. Okay, great. Move that away so I can see whatever trades we have open. Nothing. We're still 5 grand up, which is great. Okay, 2 things to do. One is normalize force. Oh, we're not doing that. Don't do. Oh, just put remember. Don't do git commit. Just print a commit message. Git add or commit. Just print a commit line. So let's remember that. Project memory. Yeah, why not? Noted. Okay. So it said it's normalizing the force. So what? Let's raw and normalized force for better debugging. Okay, looking at data table, I see why ZAL Japanese is consistently showing up as a top instrument. Let me explain what's happening. Help you fix the issue is that ZAL pairs are showing extremely high force values because ZAL has an acceleration of negative 57 pips, which are quite large. Its ATR is 256 pips, which is also very large. Gold pairs naturally have much larger numerical value. Trades around 180,000 Japanese yen. The force calculation multiplies Japanese yen as a high volume, which further amplifies the force value. Okay, so it's going to normalize it. Let's try it out with normalized. How's my gold doing? I'll get rid of this for now. Let the AI do the work. It's hit the take profit, which is $1.50. Come on. It's hitting the take profit, but the take profit is not triggering. Why is no one taking my R? Because of the spread. R error and run can access local variable ATR where it is associated. I'll give that to the AI to figure out how to fix it because it made the error. So now we're not doing any more trades. Maybe we should do a trend-based one. Is anyone watching me? Yay, I got people. Hi, people. Alex Watson. Share your IDE. IDE is Helix. I will give you the link. Helix editor. Dun, 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 dun. Bam. I know Alex Watson. I know your name is really familiar. You are my friend, I'm pretty sure. I will not look you up in front of everyone because that'll make you look embarrassed. Okay, so now I've got viewers. Thank you, Alex, for watching. We're trying to make a trading robot. It's got made 5 grand so far by random luck. But now it's just getting over complicated. Is it running? No. Let's run it now. Okay, so it's checking all the instruments for force. You know how I'm going to do my force thing again. An airplane has a force pushing up and a force pushing down. And in physics, force is mass times acceleration. So you see what the acceleration of the airplane is and the mass of the airplane. And then you can figure out that the overall force is upwards. I mean, it's the same as, and then that's what I'm doing in trading, but instead of mass, I'm using volume. So it's the change in pips for the last 10 candles gives you the acceleration. So let's accelerate, de-accelerate, and the average, whatever that is, times the average volume. And that's how it decides whether to go up or down. And this is a 1 minute chart. And looks, what's it doing? using estimated pip location, force calculation, raw force, normalized force. Where's the actual code? Where's the actual? There's 100 and it checks 105 instruments. See here we got Aussie CAD, UK 10-year bond. Okay, it made a decision. It's changing USD NOK. That must have such a high spread. I bought 10,000. It's still doing. It's meant to risk 1% of the account, but it's risking like nothing. Oh, and we lost $12. Sad. I had a high spread. Let's look at the code and see why it made these weird decisions. Direction, normalized force 168, raw force 729, acceleration volume 646. So now it's completely out of all the. It was trading just the instruments, just the indexes before, and now it's decided that it wants to trade USD NOK. Let me just maximize. Sorry, I'm gonna go up and grab that data, throw it into AI and see what the AI thinks about it. And copy. Here's the latest trade. I'm not happy because it traded traded an instrument where the spread was like 40% of the ATR. And yeah, we should just tell it the limit. Limit trades to on to what to we should take a CLI parameter. Maybe this API is what you're talking about. A CLI parameter that limits the maximum spread in ATRs and limits trades to how am I going to say we should take it and it won't enter a trade if the spread is too high. Done. This is Claude code. I will also share this, and let me just check my live stream, and it's still here. Cool. And no one's here. Okay, I will share it anyway. It is Claude code. Done. Who's Alex Watson? I know this. I know you. You must be on my Facebook. Let's check Facebook for Alex Watson. I don't even know how to search in here. Nope. Lives in New Zealand. No, I don't know, man. I think go to channel. Hey Dan, I'm live streaming. What's that? Nah, I'm doing my trading robot. It's up $5,000, but it's like it's doing weird trades. So I'm trying to make it. Here's up $5,000. Yeah, by pure luck. So, no, but it's just pretend money. I want to make it run all night and see what happens in the morning. Cool. Good night, Dan. God bless you. Have a wonderful sleep. Thanks, Dan. They're just random trays. Yeah, so I can just put stuff in there. Okay. So doing these ones now. So doing 10,000. I don't know how it calculated 10,000 units. What's that? I don't know, because it's smart and that's the way it's coded. Good night, Dan. God bless you too. Sleep well. looking at this code. Normalized force 50. ATR 200. Maybe we should calculate the difference, the force, the acceleration in ATRs. I don't know. I'm just winging it here. It is not calculating. That's not a 1% risk. Like our trading stop loss is what? If we lose, we're gonna lose. Doesn't tell you. Maybe put that in there. How many dollars is that? $10. Okay, so let me just do a git commit. Git diff. Git commit -an normalizing force. Okay, it's not risking 1% of the account. It's like, how can I say it? And the stop losses are it's just buying. Just buying 10,000 units, 10k units each time. Is it okay? Is there a maximum? What is the word? Position size? It seems to just. You know what? I can just search the code instead of spending my money on AI. Trader.py, 10,000. There is a max of 10,000. Get rid of the max. 10,000. That's it. Max reasonable units. Is that ever used? I'm just gonna put 100. I'm gonna put 200,000. That'll do it. And now it will not be so coy. How much money did we make then? We lost $6 and we lost $3. We're losing so much money. Okay, let's go. Do again. This time, don't be coy. Do your thing, man. Maybe I can make it render each trade that it enters. That would be nice. Beep up, beep up. I'll close Alex Watson account. Thank you for watching, Alex. And what am I doing? I am going. Is there maximum position size? Okay, now we're not doing that. Can you make it render why it entered a trade? A trade in a chart format, including the candle values, the pip size, the price differences, and the acceleration. That's going to cost me some cajolas. It's going to make a decision. Come on, look at all the instruments. Says for success, making the Zhao again. I don't even know what it's doing. But the make the money is good. It's 105 or 127 instruments to check. I don't know which. Soon it'll get to the bottom of them. There's some Japanese, there's some Deutsch, corn. We could remove it permanently off the list. Okay, so it's making changes. It's getting to be a really big file. Make a decision. Did it make a trade? Nothing. but it knows that there's stuff in here. Candle price. It did not perform any. It did not open any orders. Oh, it hasn't got to the bottom yet. Why didn't it open any errors? No. Spread 3 is 101% of the ATR. Exceeds a limit of 25%. So it's not entering because the spread is 1 ATR. That's interesting. So that's why it's not going in, because the spread is too high. 101% of an ATR. Okay, we'll tell it to go help. Okay, it's screwed up the code now. It's not entering any trades because it's too risky. Okay, how much did that cost me? No, I mean escape. Cost $10. It's $16 Aussie. Okay, is it working now? Nope, because it's got that. And let me go. Bop. Just make it fix that. Is it faster at fixing it than me? Yes. Make the change, bro. Because of the number percent. And is it going to be there too? Yes. And now we're going to go help, and we want to get max spread 8, so we'll make it have 2 ATRs. Make it have a bit more risk. Done. Because doing the spread is, the stop loss is 1 ATR plus the spread. Should be saved. Next I want to make it now let's make it it's getting really big. Every time I make a change it's costing me like $1.60. Now let's make it permanently remove instruments that don't match the spread requirements. Spread versus ATR requirements, so it won't calculate, it won't download their info anymore permanently. I mean, for the life of the program. I wonder how much that's gonna cost me. So we're up to, I don't know, $10 on US. So here again, it is not making any. So it attempted to, did a sell. Okay, great. Now we're looking at it. Look at that. It bought 4,000 gold Canadian, 4,000 units of gold. What? That's ounces. It sold 4,000 units of ounces of gold. That's a lot. No, the price of 4,000. Number of units is what? How many units? I don't know. Can I see on the trade? Doesn't say. 281 ounces of gold. We're at $50. Are we down? So bought 281 ounces of gold in Canadian dollars for some reason. Let's see if the AI has made my. Just continue making changes and charge me. I'm gonna get some more water. And it bought gold in Japanese, so it doesn't care about gold, and like it'll just. Is it shorted as well? It's short in gold in Japanese, short in gold in Canadian. It's gonna hit take profit. Come on, it has hit the take profit, man. Hit the take profit. Come on, give me $100, $200. Come on, hit the take profit again. Go down, my Joe. Give me some money. Come on, that's pasta. Take profit. Take it. Take it. Come on. Yay, got some money. Woo. How much did we get? $551. Woo. I wish it was real money. Now that I'm making a profit. Same here. Give me some money. Yay. How much did we make? $4. Okay, now we've got this persistent blacklist. That's good. Let's stop the thing and start it again. We're going to get commit message. Get commit dash am. Get commit dash a. Bam. So next I want to do, is there any, is it rendering anything? Head. Create a robot log, force analysis. Let's have a look at this force analysis that it made. So this is US Hong Kong. The prices are those, the volumes are those, the diff pips are those, the acceleration pips are those. So the acceleration is not that much. The differences are not that much. Those are the prices, and then what's the pip size? Pip location. Is there a pip size? Is it even asking the API for a pip size? HX Trader. Pip.star size. We should be getting the pip size from the instrument data that we download from the API. Oh, we're down this one. USD NOK. What is NOK? Look, we're down $50 and our take profit is at a loss. That doesn't seem like a good deal. Take profit is going to be like, what's the spread on that? Can we get instrument info? USD NOK. Forex. USD NOK. The spread is 30 pips. USD Mexican's 84 pips. Let's just say we're gonna do no spreads over 5 pips. That's okay. So that's what difference has it made now? See, that's a terrible idea because you know it's the spread. As soon as you go in, you're down $30 or 30 pips. So it's made this get current price spread. Okay, let's see if it's improved any. And stop the program, start it again. Make a commit. I'm not even doing anything, just AI is doing the whole thing. I don't know if the AI is even working, if it's doing a good job or a bad job. Fun. Vibe coding, bro. Well, we know it's working when we make money, I guess. Okay, let's automatically what's the word, disqualify any instruments that have, let's take a max spread CLI parameter that defaults to, I don't know, 6, and disqualify any instruments Oh no, my 3D printer just broke. Any insurance that... Beth, what's up? I think it just broke because I just heard a dock.
Sorry?
I think it just... The 3D printer just...
Someone put the can in the...
Ah, I thought it was the plastic falling off the edge. Right there, God bless. Well, let's automatically disqualify any instruments that have a spread greater than that limit. So right now it's not doing any coding. Why not any coding, any trading? Error in trading when cannot access local variable, cannot price. Okay, I've got to fix that. Wait. Okay, let's let it do its thing. Then I'll get it to fix the bug. So we're up 5,800 by pure luck. Oh, the max spread pips and then max spread ATR. I don't think we need the max spread ATR. Just keep on coding. Code away, my machine. I'll say, please fix this bug and remove the max spread in ATR. We'll just go max spread in pips should be just fine. More coding for you, Claude. Every time it reads that thing, it's like how many tokens? It's like 50 tokens, 200 tokens. I'm paying per token. I don't know what it's doing. It's just going super crazy now. It's just such a complicated app. Once I get it working, I'm going to port it to Rust and understand it, how it works. Working. Anyone YouTube watchers? Nothing. Thanks guys for watching, the 3 people that watched. Who is that guy? Alex Watson. I'm pretty sure I knew him from like England when I was young. Let's check out the old indices while we're waiting. How's the S&P 500 going up or down? I've bet in real life that this is going up, so I hope it's going up right now. Yeah, it's just sitting there. Let's look at the last days. Yeah, it's going up, so hopefully we're getting a reversal. Okay, let's give it a run. Run again. Max spread ATR, we don't need that. So now it should give us a maximum spread in pips of 6. Giving some funky errors here. Error fetching price. Let me just dump the error and let AI fix it. What a fun night. If I can get this thing to work, I should have made it more simple. Complication is the devil. Well, is not conducive to happiness and success. And run. See how it runs, and then I'll do a git commit. Okay. So I just had this idea when I was out for a run about the force thing. Just came into my head. And I thought I'll spend some time and I'll vibe code it and see if it's successful. Very high spread. See, it's getting rid of the high spread ones, 500 pips. That's good. So then it will permanently disqualify those and I won't bother working them out. So many instruments to check. Oh, how it's normalizing the force. I wonder if even if the code knows how it's working. This is the 1 minute chart on S&P 500. Oh, my back's sore. Hurry up. Hurry up. I'm gonna make myself a sandwich. Anyone watching? I don't think I was watching anyway, so thanks for watching, anyone who did. Noting here that this will be the last time I'm buying from Gloridians. Who prices their coffee? Geez. What did you pay? How much for the coffee? Oh, did it make a trade? It did not make a trade. Why not? It got rid of all those. It's just all gold. Got rid of all the gold. But it did not make any trades. It's still getting the trades. It decided to sell that, but then it didn't because it was bad. But now is it going to try and do something the next minute? It is really complicated. I think if we just go, oh, what's the trend? And then do a 50-50, is it going to go up on the trend, and then done. Right now it seems to be doing pretty much nothing. Huh. They make a trade. It's got a trade, yay. So we bought 11,000 euro Japan. Let's click it. And we are longing it because there was acceleration there in the 10. I think we should make it 60. Let's make it, I made it 10 already. Count 10, we'll just make it 60. I'm just going to let it run. Oh, we lost money. How much did we lose? $9. That's nothing. It seems really small. Yeah, I think trading and writing a program for it is actually super complicated and not something you can do in an afternoon. But I'll let this guy run overnight and see what I have in the morning. So we have $105,811 right now. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful night.